Hi guys, it's Kay. I'm going to show you how to make one of my quick and easy dinners. This is one of my hubby's favorite. In the pan, I've got a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. And right now I'm just cutting up one whole onion. This is a Vidalia onion because it's all I had, but a yellow onion would be better. The Vidalias are good, but they don't have a strong flavor, but that's what I had, so that's what went in. And that's the great thing about cooking is you can pretty much just use whatever you got. Normally I always have yellow onions on hand, but for some reason I didn't. So I like to cut them this way because I think they cook up a little quicker. And you could also use olive oil. I just prefer vegetable oil when I'm making something with potatoes, so they get nice and brown and crunchy. And I don't have to worry about, smoking, because olive oil can't go with a very high heat. Here's the potatoes I'm cutting up. Now, to save time, I microwave them first. You can see I microwaved them a little bit too long. Again, I was in a hurry and wasn't paying attention, but normally I wouldn't cook them till they were this soft, but they still came out great. So, you can just put raw potatoes in there. It's just going to take a lot longer to cook. If you use raw potatoes, just cook those for a while by themselves before you add onion and sausage, because raw ones are going to take quite a bit longer to cook. But still not a big deal. Just depends on how much time you have, and I prefer to microwave them for a little bit first. Just don't microwave them this long. You can see the potatoes kind of falling apart there, but like I said, it still tasted really good. Another thing I want to point out, too, is to always salt and pepper in layers. I see a lot of new cooks that salt and pepper once, or they don't salt and pepper at all, because they say people can add it later. But if you don't cook it with the salt and pepper, it's just not going to be as good. You're just not going to get the flavor. So always salt and pepper in between layers. And I think in this, yeah, there I am, salt and pepper. You'll see me do that quite a few times. Just everything's better in layers. And then all I did was saute that for a little bit. Get the onions until they're turning a little soft and cooked, and get the potatoes turning brown. And then I start cutting up the sausage. For this one, I used Hillshire smoked sausage. That's one of my favorites. You could use kielbasa. You could use turkey sausage. Really anything you want. I do like to slice them kind of thin so they cook up quick, because, like I said, I'm always in a hurry for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's because I own 2 businesses and I'm constantly working. This one I was making, I think this was 7 o'clock last night. See, I was late and we were hungry and we hadn't had time to stop and eat. And so I needed something quick that was going to cook up quick. And now another thing I like to add to this is cabbage. But I was in a hurry, so it didn't. I wish I had, though, because the cabbage really adds another layer of flavor. But if you had some cabbage laying around, you would just chop that up, too. Generally, if I'm cooking cabbage in this, I cook it first, then add the potatoes and onions, and I always add the sausage last because it cooks up so quickly. It's too bad you guys can't smell it so good with the onion and sausage cooking in there. Makes the whole house smell good. So, that's my quick and easy recipe for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm going to do some more. Hopefully I'm going to get a new camera so these videos will look a little better. But, that's your quick and easy recipe. Have a great day. Bye.